Hello everyone. I am telling about the little bird story, another a little bird story, all the sum title, another it will also video. So let's get now started right now. Are you ready? Listen. Once upon a time, there lived in a big boat. The also little bird very hungry. He was search at forest. The little bird blew. He asked it, I went to a little bird. Be feel tired, be feel hungry, and be feel excited. Think about. Now I also the bluebird not get eating food. So excited went to a bluebird. Next day he was eating food even too so happy a little bluebird. We are going after some forest a little bird sitting on the tree. The little bird, singing and sung. The little bird very happily. The little bird very cute and singing and song very nice. Look like this a blue little bird. It is so beautiful. They have a where been to a bluebird is so very happily. In a lot together, I telling about the little bird story another. Some title also giving. It is so thank you so much for get together.